Okay, so this one comes from Chapter 5 and Section 3, and it's a good, I think, a good place to start putting something on the LMS as an example of the stuff that we're doing to this point. This particular problem deals with the comparison of the resistance of some wire resistor as the temperature changes, and so we have the two things that we're comparing. We read this: the electric resistance of wire resistors varies with temperature according to this relation. You'll notice that this says relation and not function, because when we look at the equation, we see 5 variables: R2, R1, alpha, T1, T2. There's 5 different variables, and the function has to do with only 2. When this is the case, we can often reduce a relation to be a function so that we can have a graph and compare two different things, and that's what we're going to do here. T refers to the temperature in this equation, R the resistance, and at 2 different times. So the resistance 1 corresponds to temperature 1, and a different resistance 2 corresponds to a different temperature at a second temperature. And the alpha is a constant, and so if we have different kinds of wires or resistors, then we expect a little different equation based on this constant. Given this relation, we are then given some particular values, and we read from this example, plot the graph of R2 and T2 given that alpha is 0.004 and the resistance is 20 ohms when the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So let's see how we go about solving this one.